Not many people are talking about peptides and women's health, and the few who are coming at it from the wrong angle. Here are 8 peptides relevant to women, particularly if you're in perimenopause or thinking about what's happening hormonally in your 40s. I'll run through them quickly, do your own research, look deeper into each one, and as always, get your foundations sorted first. Let's start with GHK-Cu. Here's something that most people don't know. Estrogen plays a huge role in collagen production. When it drops, women can lose up to 30% of their dermal collagen in the first 5 years post-menopause. GHK-Cu is studied for working both ways, clearing damaged collagen while signalling new growth. Next, BPC 157. Joint pain, tendon issues, gut disruptions are all hallmarks of perimenopause. BPC 157 shows real promise in clinical data for soft tissue healing and gut health. Human trials are still needed, but the signal is there. BPC 157 is often paired with TB 500. Systemic inflammation tends to rise as estrogen declines through perimenopause and into menopause. TB 500 is studied for its action on anti-inflammatory pathways and tissue repair. Then we have the GLP-1 agonists, the most human data of any peptide on this list. A 2026 Mayo Clinic study found postmenopausal women on tirzepatide plus HRT lost 35% more weight than those on tirzepatide alone. Worth noting, it was observational, not a randomized trial, so it shows a strong correlation rather than a proven cause. Then we have Sermorelin. Growth hormone naturally declines alongside estrogen in midlife. Sermorelin works by promoting the pituitary to release growth hormone itself, not replacing it, just nudging the body's own signal. It's often explored in integrative protocols alongside bioidentical HRT. Then we have 2 brain peptides, Semax and Selank. Brain fog, anxiety, mood fluctuations, anyone who's experienced these know how much they can affect daily life. The cognitive and emotional load of hormonal transition is real and massively underserved. Both peptides are being studied for neuroprotection, focus, anxiety, and stress resilience. Finally, PT141. Libido decline is one of the most common symptoms of perimenopause and one of the least talked about. PT141 works via the melanocortin receptors in the brain, not the blood flow, which sets it apart from most libido-focused options on the market at the moment. Women's health is the most underserved area in peptide research. The conversations are starting. The data needs to catch up. Save this, share it with someone who needs it.